It's very nice, very beautiful. And even in the mist, the atmosphere is magic. It looks very nice.
Color. This green color is the hardest way. Here rest as Hajebi mineral water. Did you bring any jacket?
Yes, I'll be jogging. No problem.
With those shoes?
Very excited.
You can scale down.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Some exercise is always good.
예, 인어수 체크하고 오세요.
Very beautiful trail, so tranquil and wonderful landscape, and it seems like the national park is very well managed. A lot of visitors, I assume, every day. A lot of tourists coming here, but seems like there is a good management of this heritage site. Yes,
It's so beautiful. It's amazing. I'm from Sweden, and it's of course totally different. So it's really amazing to be here and see all the beauty of Jeju.
오늘 하루 생태 탐방 투어를 통해서 많은 외국인들이 그냥 사진으로만 혹은 글 혹은 인터넷으로만 알았던 그 제주의 자연을 이렇게 직접 체험함으로써 그 몸소 이렇게 느끼고 그 느낌을 온 세계적으로 자기가 그 나라에 돌아갔을 때 이 느낌을 전달할 수 있는 그런 기회가 될 것 같아서 이렇게 통역하는 저에게 있어서도 아주 뜻깊은 날인 것 같습니다.